Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. You like my little kitty cat Santa shirt? He's so cute. I got him from Temu. Isn't he cute?
He is definitely cute.
He is really cute. So we got this surprise present. I don't know if you can see, but it says from Service and Parts. So where I work got this for Scott and I, and they said, make sure you take it home and open it and put it on your YouTube channel and then use it on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to start this video, but we might not put it on YouTube depending on what's in here because you never know what our service department will do.
You probably don't have to mention that because if we don't put it on YouTube, we're not talking to anybody.
But I'm talking to my friends that I don't have right now. So we're going to open this up and see what they got Scott and I. And they did say take it home and open it. And they said you don't have to wait till Christmas because they want this video to go up and they want us to use it.
If they said to her what she just said, I already know, then it's something obviously to use for making videos, I'm guessing.
So, all right, open your side.
For the YouTube channel.
Open your side. Get this open. We are not paper saver people, so VivoHome.
It's got a smiley face on it.
VivoHome, and it has a smiley face on it. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh my God! Oh, you don't know what it is. Look, it's a mixer, and it's pink. Holy shit! I can say that, right? I think I could say that.
Yep.
Oh, I can't get into it. I don't understand how this is for you. It's for us. Oh, I gotta get some scissors. VivoHome?
Holy heck, it's 660 watts. The ones I was looking at were like 300.
300 watts, yeah.
I'm guessing this thing's going to turn the house into a tornado.
You gotta be kidding me. It really can't be pink. Like, it can't really be. Yeah, it's okay. I won't get you, I promise.
Yeah, you just hit the cat in the head with a box a little bit ago, and you're going to tell me you're not going to stab me with those scissors on accident?
I didn't mean to. It was an accident. Enjoy life at home. It's a box, and then there's another box in there. I wonder if I could turn this upside down to get it out. It does still say it's pink. It still says it's pink. It's gotta be pink. It's pink! It doesn't match our kitchen. It doesn't clash with our kitchen, though. Pink and black and pink and gray and pink and white. It's pink. Oh my God, it's like Barbie pink. And this better not be like a toy. Like, I could see them getting me like a little Holly Hoppy mixer or something.
I guess that's a good thing I didn't buy one recently.
Oh my gosh, you've been looking and looking and... Oh, it's got little suction feet. Oh! I need to put this down so people can see what's going on. Did you see that? Look at that.
I guess they're trying to say that you need to make cookies and bring them to work.
I think so, because Mike's retiring and his wife already makes the cakes and the cookies and the cupcakes. So, oh wow, this thing is nice. Those little feet like really stick. Oh, it's got this kind of whisker beater. And it's got this kind of beater. It has a dough hook to make bread, a pizza dough. Oh, I put this back up. Just flip this little switch and it pops right up and locks in place. That is a big bowl. Oh, there you go. That's locked into place. It's got so it has like a little bar through there, and you just line this up with the bar. So line that right up, push it on and twist it, and it's locked into place. You know what I'm doing this weekend?
I don't know why they say it's for us, because I can't use a pink mixer.
We can...
I mean, I do have this pink thing on my hat, so I guess.
What's this?
That's the shield that keeps the
dust
storm
splatter shield. And then there's like a hole here so that you can dump your stuff in.
Like that one girl we were watching.
And she
started a sandstorm or a dust storm or something.
So if I undo this, and then I put this on here. Oh, it's got rubber things, so it just slides right on up there. I put this back on. Twist it. Put it down. Look at that. You push it down. It's got a dust shield. And then listen to it sticking to the table. And then you can put your little ingredients in there. It's got a lot of different speeds out there. What else do I got there? What's it? Oh, that's like a little egg separator. Put it in here so you just get the whites. It's not a kaleidoscope.
So I can watch you do this? I don't understand this thing.
You put your egg in there and the white goes down in.
Like a shock for the back. Pretty sure that's what that is.
Wow, this is really, really awesome. I definitely am going to be making some cookies. I'm going to make some fudge. I'm going to make some cakes and
Good thing I got a job tomorrow.
I will definitely be back and showing you this baby in action. This pink baby in action. I love it. It's a really nice. It's pink. It's beautiful. It's got a nice sturdy bowl. I love it. All right, check back to see a review and us making something with it. And by us, I mean me and him being my coach. But this is great. We was definitely looking for one of these. So, thanks. We'll see you the next time. Bye.